Chris from Duffy Floors, and we're here in Acton, Massachusetts, working on a Brazilian cherry floor. This customer did not like his pre-finished Brazilian cherry floor that he got with the house. He doesn't like the red, so he's decided to darken the floors. What we're doing here today is we put down a base coat of an aniline dye. It's a standard brown aniline dye, and the colors that we're putting on it is we've got a coffee brown here. We just put down a Jacobean brown on top of it, and we're putting down espresso on the other sample here. So what we're going to do is we're trying to get a good representation of what the floors are going to look like after they're stained and coated. And you'll see that Danny's putting the stain down now. We like to flood the floor with the oil stain so the wood can accept as much as it possibly can. And the aniline dye that we're using is a water dye that has a color in it. So it actually pops the grain and gets the grain to come up to accept more of the oil stain that we're putting down. Makes a much more even surface and more consistent throughout. And as you can see, it quite clearly is getting rid of the red. So we'll be back here tomorrow. We'll be putting some finish on these that'll liven them up a bit, and we'll see what the customer wants to choose. This is Chris from Duffy Floors. If you have any wood flooring needs, or you've got some Brazilian cherry that you want to get the red out, give us a call. We're at 781-395-3418.